Okay, next. Example 11. Ungroup data with frequency. From the table below, find the range, interquartile range, quartile deviation, and variance. The table for number of computers, and this is a frequency. So how to find the range? Solution. Range equals to highest value 4 minus lowest value. So 4 minus 0 equals to 4. Second, interquartile range. So the formula is Q3 minus Q1. So how to find Q1 and Q3? Firstly, where is position of Q1? The position of Q1, we have to sum all the frequency data. 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 4 plus 2, and we get 30, right? So position of Q1, 30 plus 1 over 4, we get 7.75. So where is 7.75? Firstly, you must draw the table cumulative frequency first. Cumulative frequency first. So cumulative frequency 6 plus 8 equals to 14 plus 10 24 plus 4 28 plus 2 30. So 7.75 in frequency here. So the value of Q1 is 1 plus the decimal 0.75 times 1 minus 1, we get 1. So the position of Q3 3 times 30 plus 1 over 4, we get 23.25. So where is 23.25? 23.25 in here. Okay, the value of Q3 is 2 plus 0.25 times 2 minus 2, we get 2. So Q3 equals to 2 minus Q1 equals to 1, we get 1. Okay, so next, quartile deviation. The formula of quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q1 over 2. So equals to IQR over 2. 1 over 2 equals to 0.5. The variance. How to find the variance? So how to find the variance? The formula for variance S2 equals to n over n minus 1 times frequency f x summation frequency x square minus summation f x square over n. So you must calculate the summation fx square and summation of fx square and summation of fx first. So the summation of fx square, how to find the summation of x square? So fx square, so 6 times 0 square plus 1 plus 8 times 1 square plus 10 times 2 square plus 4 times 3 square plus 2 times 4 square, and we get 116. So this is summation of fx square. And then the summation of fx. The summation of fx 6 times 10, 6 times 0, summation of fx 6 times 0 plus 8 times 1 plus 10 times 2 plus 4 times 3 plus 2 times 4, we get 48. And then substitute into formula here, the formula of variance. So 1 over n minus 1, 1 over n is 30. 30 minus 1. So summation fx square 116 minus this is 48 over n equals to 30. And then we get the answer is, so you must press the calculator. So you must calculate carefully, and then we get 1.357. So how to find the standard deviation? Standard deviation S. So SD equals to square root of square root of variance. So we get 1.1626. Okay. Okay, this is a solution for example 11. Okay. Next, we go to the example of group data. From the table below, find the range, interquarter range, quarter deviation, and variance. So the solution. Okay, the solution for the example question 1, how to find the range. The range is the highest value, highest upper value minus lower boundary value. So which is 79 minus 5 minus 79.5 minus 29.5, we got 50. Okay, for the interquarter range, Q3 minus Q1. So how to find the Q1 and Q3? Step 1, position of Q1. The position of Q1, the formula is n of the formula for the group data n over 4, which is different with the formula of the ungrouped data, which is the for ungrouped data n plus 1 over 4. For the group data n over 4. So equals to 64 minus over 4 equals to 16.25. 16.25. Where is 16.25? 16.25 in between 1 to 25, which is the first class boundary. First class, which is the first class. So how to find the Q1 for the group data? The lower value 29.5 plus n over 4, 65 over 4 minus the value of cumulative before, which is 0, over the frequency in the class, which is 25 times the C, width of the class, which is 39 minus 29.5, we got 10. Okay, so press the calculator and you must got the 36. Okay, so for the position of Q3, 3n over 4. So 3n over 4, 3 times 65 over 4, we got 48.75. So how to find the Q3? Same formula. The lower boundary 48.75 in the class boundary here, Q3. This is for Q1. Okay, so 49.5 the lower boundary plus the 3n over 4, which is 48.75 minus the cumulative before. Cumulative before is 41. Cumulative before is 41. 41 over the frequency in the class, which is 12. Which is 12 times with the class 10. So you must got the answer is 55.96. So the interquartile range Q3 minus Q1, we got 55.696 minus 36, we got 19.96. Okay, next question, quartile deviation. So IQR over 2, you must got 9.98. So for the variance, what is the formula variance? S2 equals to 1 over n minus 1 times cumulative fx square minus cumulative fx square over n. So this is formula for variance. So we must calculate the fx square. So this is value for f, frequency 25 times with 34.5 square for each class. Here, here, here. And for fx, frequency times the midpoint, which is the value of x. And you must total up fx square and fx. After that, substitute into formula n minus 1, which is 65 minus 1, summation of fx square 153,965.25 minus summation of fx 3052.5 square over 65. Press the calculator and you must got the answer is 165.7212. So from the value of variance, how to find the standard deviation for the question 5? Standard deviation, so square root the answer of variance, whereas 6.5 square root of 165.7212. So we got 12.8733. Okay, understand? So please try at home for the another question. Thank you.